Reading aloud is the key to learning to speak English. Read aloud and repeat. Family time. Family time is when we spend time with our family. It can be at home, at a park, or anywhere else. It is important to be together and enjoy each other's company. When I watch television, my family joins me. We sit together on the sofa. We laugh at funny moments in the shows. Sometimes, we talk about what we see. Watching TV together is a fun time for us. We like to play games during family time. Board games are our favorites. We often play Monopoly or Scrabble. Playing games brings laughter and excitement. It is a great way to enjoy each other's company. Cooking together is enjoyable, too. We pick a recipe and prepare it as a family. Everyone helps with different tasks. Some chop vegetables while others stir pots. At the end, we sit down to enjoy the meal we made together. We often go for walks as a family. Walking in the park is refreshing. We talk about our day and share stories. Nature makes us feel relaxed. It is nice to be outdoors and spend time together. Celebrating birthdays is special family time. We decorate the house and bake a cake. Everyone sings "Happy Birthday" and gives gifts. These celebrations create wonderful memories. We feel loved and appreciated. Family outings are exciting. We visit museums, zoos, or amusement parks. These trips are full of laughter and learning. We take many photos to remember the fun. Outings help us bond and create lasting memories. Reading together is a quiet but special time. We choose a book and take turns reading. Sometimes, we read stories out loud. This activity sparks our imagination and helps us learn. We enjoy discussing the story afterward. Sharing hobbies is a great way to connect. Some family members like painting, while others enjoy gardening. We support each other's interests. This makes family time more enjoyable and fun. Traveling together is an adventure. We explore new places and experience different cultures. Whether it's a short trip or a long vacation, we create unforgettable memories. Traveling brings us closer as a family. Family traditions are important. They give us a sense of identity. We have special traditions for holidays and celebrations. These traditions are passed down through generations. They make our family unique. During family time, we help each other. If someone is sad, we listen and support them. If someone is stressed, we try to cheer them up. This care creates a loving environment. We often reflect on our day during family time. We share our highs and lows. Talking about our feelings helps us understand each other. This communication strengthens our relationships. Family time is also a learning opportunity. We teach each other new skills. Whether it's cooking, fixing things, or playing a sport, we learn together. This sharing of knowledge is valuable. Most importantly, family time is about enjoying each other's company. We laugh, talk, and have fun. It is a time to relax and be ourselves. Family time fills our hearts with love and happiness.